So welcome back. I don't understand that. So now you can create another. If this you want to put a goal, additional goal between 1 and 2 here, you can right click on all the whole road, and right click on it. Click on insert. So another will be inserted. Why you can put this one as maybe October, like this. So the cell is too. You can merge this cell to be central. Why? How do you do that? Just highlight it from this column here to the column E2 and merge as center. So that is it. And if there's any other stuff you can do, on it. So this is how you hide the extra. So this is how you add an extra row to it. Then to add an extra column, what you needed to do is to right click here. Also click on insert. Another extra column will be inserted. So you can do something like this. So so your cell, in between your cell is to add, in between your column is to add. You can right click, you can add, you can hide, you can insert, you can delete whatsoever work you wanted to do. So this is the basic for basic skills you needed to know for to develop any type of template. So having understood that, so next thing we need to do is for us to start with an office template. So you can, with this template now, you can also insert the company's logo to it. So you can have a cell like this, and you may want to put your company's logo inside this. How do you do that? Come to your insert and come to your from a picture file and locate the location of the file. So this is the location of the logo, and click on it. So a logo will be inserted. So you can drag it, the logo to where you want it to be here, which is okay. And that's how you can insert a logo to it. Exactly. So so I've understood that. So the next thing right now, yeah, is to explain to you about how the autofill features work. Is there any question? So now over here I've explained to you the basic of the measure center.